fight. That's just side noise. Nah, I can't fight. Can't take the fight.
Yo, what's up guys, BNVLNT. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to sound like OSAMASON in this new PSYKOTIC album that just dropped a couple days ago. And in this album, OSAMASON did a couple different styles. So for this video, I'm gonna show you guys the presets I made for Getaway and Function. So yeah, I'm not gonna get too much in this intro. This is Getaway by OSAMASON.
Shit's all noise. I can't fall for it. Can't take the fall for it. I know it's all yours. You never call for it. Sometimes I feel like that you didn't want to walk for it. Didn't want to crawl for it. But I put in my all for it.
So now that you guys have heard the original song, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off these presets and show you guys my raw vocals trying to sound like OSAMASON.
That's just all noise. I can't fight.
So yeah, really terrible. And now I'm gonna turn on all these presets and this is what it sounds like.
No, I'm off fight. That's just all noise. Nah, I can't fight. Can't take the fight. I know it's all yours. You never call for it. Sometimes I feel like that you didn't wanna walk for it. Didn't wanna call for it. But I put in my all for it. All they do is fall short. I jump out the fire door. Then this shit getting boring. I think we should get away again. Get rid of our friends. Make some new plans. Hey, check the friends. Probably go and try again. Can't even let I'm getting high again. I don't wanna try, no, I don't wanna try again. I don't shoot a car, no, I want you to try again.
So yeah, that was my preset for Getaway, and now I'm gonna show you guys Function by OSAMASON, and then we'll hop in the FL for that preset. So this is Function by OSAMASON. Now that you guys have heard Function, I'm gonna show you guys my raw vocals, but before I do that, I do want to say that this song was sped up. So what I did to record this cover is first I figured out like a guesstimate of how far he pitched it down, and I came to the conclusion that it was pitched down 185 cents. I'm not 100% on that, but it does make it a flat 154 BPM, and it makes the key F major, no detune. So I think this is how he recorded it, and then he pitched it up 185 cents. I'm not sure why he pitched it up 185 specifically, but that's what it sounds like to me. So I think this is what it sounded like. So first I'm gonna show you guys what the song sounded like pitched down. So this is OSAMASON Function pitched down. Now for this one, I don't think I sound very much like him. I think I could re-record it and make it better, but I'm just trying to get you guys this preset as quick as possible. And at the end of the day, I'm not trying to cover these artists perfectly. I'm just trying to get you guys a preset that sounds like that. That way you guys can make some good music with it. And now that that's out of the way, I'll show you guys my really bad raw vocals. So yeah, that's my raw vocals, and like always I'm gonna turn on these presets and this is what it sounds like. So yeah, that's the preset, and now to make it sound like the original, we're gonna go ahead and pitch it up. So I'm gonna select everything, I'm gonna press Ctrl-Alt-C, which will consolidate the tracks into one singular track, and then we're gonna take this singular track, we're gonna double click on it, pitch it up 185 cents, because that's how much we pitched down the original. And then once it's pitched up, we play it, and this is what it sounds like.
Better leave, but if she get out, leave the function. Jumped in, I think I'm at it.
So that's what my version of the song sounds like sped up. And yeah, obviously it's not exactly like the original, but I think the preset is very close, and I think you guys can make some cool music with it. So yeah, now you guys are probably wondering where you get these presets. All of these free presets will be in my Discord. The only preset that isn't free is this master preset, which for these covers I did use the Best Waves master preset, and what you guys heard was just the Best Waves master preset as it comes. I didn't change anything about it. So if you guys want that master preset, it will be on my website benevolent.shop for $10. But if you'd rather get both of these FLPs along with 2 OSAMASON templates ready to record in with all of these presets set up, as well as my Best Waves master preset and my Best Stock master preset for those of you guys that don't have Waves plugins, you can get all of that on my website for $15. And I'll leave the FLP and the master preset link below if you guys are interested in either of those. But if you guys just want the free presets, that is completely fine. All you have to do is go to the Discord linked in the description, scroll down here to where it says Benevolent Presets, and then the OSAMASON presets will all be right here. And if you scroll up, there's hundreds of free presets for you guys to use. So go get some presets and make some good music. But yeah, the last thing I'm gonna show you guys real quick is the auto-tune settings. So for this song, which is Function, the auto-tune settings were F major, retune speed of 4, and a humanize of 28. And now I'm gonna go back into Getaway real quick and show you guys the auto-tune for that. So for Getaway, the key was A minor, detune of 439, retune speed of 0, humanize of 68. And then I did all of the same exact settings for the ad-lib. The only thing I changed is the humanize. I put it down to 11. So yeah, real quick, I do want to mention the only other plugin that isn't stock is Fresh Air. And Fresh Air is a completely free plugin made by Slate Digital. All you have to do is go to their website, make an account, and then download the plugin for free. And I'll leave that linked in the description as well. But yeah, I think that's all I got for this video. So if it helped you out at all, please leave a like, comment which artist you want to see next, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. That's been it. Peace.
Baby, let's ride. Move it left, move it left, right. Let's ride.